Hi lovelies, welcome to a new video. On today's video we are going to be making donuts. These are delicious, soft and easy to make, and I'm going to show you how. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. In our mixing bowl, we are adding in warm milk, 1 egg. We are going to whisk everything together. Then we are adding in our yeast, sugar, and we are going to whisk it together as well. All the exact proportions for this recipe are going to be listed in the description bar below, so check them out for the exact proportions if you want to try out the recipe. Now we are adding in our flour, sifted flour, a pinch of salt, and then we continue mixing. Mix well, scrape the sides and make a well incorporated dough. We are adding in margarine, you can use butter as well, and then we are going to fold it well in our mixture, making sure that it's well incorporated. When that is done, I'm going to add the remaining flour on my mixture. I'll fold it in. Now it's time to stretch our dough. You will do this for about 8 to 10 minutes. Remember, we want to have our dough soft. Mix the dough and don't overdo it. Just make sure it's not sticking to your hands and it's soft enough. You will achieve these results. Now my dough is ready. You can see how soft it looks. On my bowl, I'm going to splash a little bit of oil. And then place my dough over there. Just rub it a little bit with oil and let it rest here for the yeast to do its work. With the cling film, I'm going to wrap this up and also place it in room temperature. I'm also going to use my clean kitchen towel to cover it up so that it remains warm. Our dough has risen beautifully after 30 minutes, and now we can go right ahead and give it a punch. And work on it for the next step. on my working surface, I'm just going to dust a little bit of flour and start portioning my dough. This dough will give you perfectly sized donuts, 14 of them. So I'm going to go right ahead and portion this dough. Sometimes you can just weigh them just to make sure that they are of the same size and weight. Now I'm going to ball them. Now the next process is easy. After balling the dough balls, we are going to prepare our donuts and the donut hole. The easiest way is what I'm showing you, even for beginners. Just take your dough ball, add a little bit of a press, and then use something to cut the hole, and there you get it. Very easy. On my baking tin, I've lined it up with parchment paper and a little bit of flour. This is where our donuts are going to rest for 15 good minutes before we start deep frying them. Here I'm also going to use my clean paper towel to cover them and let them rest. When that is done, I'm getting my pan ready with deep frying oil. I'm using cooking oil, obviously, and I'm going to put it on the pan, and my dough balls have risen so well, and now it's time to start deep frying. The oil is medium hot because we want our donuts to cook slowly. They cook here for 7 to 8 minutes for them to be completely cooked. Keep turning them. They will rise nicely and they will keep cooking. And that's how easy it is to make these donuts. We completely repeat the same process until all the donuts are cooked, and then we get to the best part where we have to taste and do the test of how our donuts are looking like. The donuts are soft, they are delicious, and it's so easy to make, as you have seen. When this process is done, then you can go right ahead and enjoy your donuts as they are. Dunk them in chocolate or even glaze them with icing sugar and what have you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Enjoy your donuts.